Are you curious about how to tap into the lucrative how-to niche on YouTube and potentially earn up to $50,000 a month? Let's break down the essentials to help you succeed. Why the how-to niche is gold. The how-to niche is thriving because it addresses common questions and needs, from cooking to starting a business. With over 500 million daily visitors on YouTube, even capturing 1% of that audience means reaching 5 million people. Potential earnings from AdSense. YouTube pays between $2 to $15 per 1,000 views. By reaching 5 million views, your earnings could range from $10,000 to $75,000 from ads alone. If you post 2 additional videos in a month, you could potentially earn up to $150,000. Steps to achieve success. 1. Choose a profitable topic. Not every how-to topic will yield success. Focus on high-demand areas like tech tutorials, money-making guides, DIY projects. For example, creating content around how to make $1,000 a day online targets a hot market. 2. Develop a monetization strategy. To monetize, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. However, ad revenue alone won't get you to $50,000. Diversify your income streams. Affiliate marketing. Promote products related to your content. For instance, a how to build a website video can feature a hosting platform, earning you commissions. Sponsored videos. Once you have an audience, brands may pay for sponsored content, with earnings ranging from $500 to $10,000 based on your reach. 3. Create engaging content. Content is key. Ensure your tutorials are clear, valuable, and visually engaging. Videos like how to start a dropshipping store from scratch or how to invest $100 and make it grow resonate well because they solve real problems. Conclusion. By following this formula, reaching $25,000 per month on YouTube is not just a dream, it's entirely achievable. If you're passionate about teaching and creating value, consider diving into the how-to niche today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.